Get up. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is June the 10th. We're out here in the North Decatur area, right off of North Drew Hills. And what was pretty cool, timing is always great. A lady called me on my way here. She has a floor she wants me to come look at. And when I put in the address, she's exactly 1.2 miles from where we are now. So once we get the coating down here, we're gonna go give her a consultation and then come back here. So what we're gonna be doing here today, guys, is a screen and recoat. No UV cure, just screen and recoat. She just want to get the floors clean. They got a lot of sticky residue on them, and then we're going to screen them and then recoat them. We do have a minimum. I do have a minimum of $750, and you know, clients do understand. And I don't do a lot of minimums, but I do not do nothing no less than $150 because again, the cost of business, poly, time, so it just makes it worth my while. But like I said, I rarely do minimums. So let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys. So we're in the North Decatur area. And this is just one small room, and then after this we have another job for a client in Cumming. He's moving out, got the house on the market, and I'm going to be doing a screen and recoat with countertops. Also, my sanding guy Aaron is actually wrapping up a sanding job that I scheduled about 2 weeks ago. Again, guys, sanding, it was about 1,400 square feet. Took him about a week and 3 days to do it. So today is the last day. He has to just going to UV cure that floor and then also put down new quarter rounds. So sanding is a totally different ball game than screen and recoat. So if you look at this floor, guys, what we're going to do, see all this sticky substance? I don't know what that is, but it's sticky. So I want to clean that up. Then I want to screen this floor. Now I do see this round marking. I don't know what that is, but I did tell my client this would not come out like something stained the wood. All right, but overall, guys, this floor just good candidate for a screen and recoat. I'm also gonna have Tavares to get one of our little lamps. Hey, Tavares, grab one of our little lamps because I need some more light in here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Truman one day.
Truman. Recoat. Truman. UV cure.
Get it.
Truman.
Truman one day.
Whore.
Truman one day. Truman one day.
Pulled up early van pack tight. One day finish made them flow look right. Homeowner thinking they got it replaced. Then Truman pull up, put a smile on their face. Screen it down, clean it up, hit the scratch and shine it up. Green light going, everybody stare. UV curing flow while the neighbors stop and stare.
Who that? Who that?
Truman.
Who that? Who that? Who that?
Truman. Who make overflow look brand new?
Truman do.
Same day service.
That's the mission.
No long wait, no
Superstition.
kids back running, all out back playing. Furniture down before the evening.
Go Truman.
Go Truman.
Yeah. Truman. Truman one day.
Truman.
Recoat. System.
Truman. UV cure.
Countertop shining flows looking clean. Hardwood glowing like a movie scene. Atlanta to Alabama rolling all around. When the Truman van pull up, everybody gather around. 600 plus reviews, clients say wow. One day system got them talking now. Blue and yellow on the side of the ride. Truman one day.
All right, guys, we just got back. We went and did a consultation, which was literally less than a mile from here. She's gonna go with a full sanding. I'm gonna have my guy Aaron, who's actually wrapping up a sanding job for one of my clients today. She wants her floor sanded because she wants to stain them darker, almost like this. So yeah, guys, look at this floor now. Let me take off my shoes. And this floor came out great, really good. Oh yeah. Got that Aqua Pro 2-component. Got some nice thick build on it. If I'm not using rag coat, I'm using Aqua Pro. And remember that round stain I told you that was not going to come out. Like this floor had some water damage because there's some cupping, but overall, man, it came out great for a screen and recoat. All right, guys, that's going to do it. We also went and did these 2 stairs threads as well. We're gonna shoot and grab us some lunch. Then we're gonna head to Cumming. About a good 45-50 minute drive from there. Also screen and recoat with UV cure. No, I'm sorry. No, we're not doing UV cure there. Okay, he's moving out. But we are doing a UV cure tomorrow. All right, guys. See you in the next one. All right, guys. June the 10th, we just got to our second job. We're out here in Cumming, Georgia. This is a new client, found me online. I came out here 2 weeks ago. He's putting this house on the market. And came out here, and while I was here, he asked me if I knew anyone that did that replaced carpet. But unfortunately, he didn't need the carpets replaced. He needed them stretched and clean. So I referred him to one of my good friends and my network partners, Happy Feet Carpet Cleaning. He's also out of Lawrenceville, Georgia. So this is the owner, Tellis. He's also owner operator like myself. So he's here cleaning the carpets, and he also stretched and repaired the carpet so the client didn't have to replace them. And the same thing that we're going to be doing for the wood floors, because he thought the wood floors needed to be sanded, and they don't need to be sanded. So we're going to be doing screen and recoats with a matte finish. He wants to put a matte finish on this floor, but we're not doing the UV cure because he's moving out. So he's just doing this to get the house ready for sale, because he's already has the house painted. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys. So this is what we're going to be doing. There's Tellis Happy Feet. He's been in business for over 25 years.
I'll be in the car.
Oh, you're fine.
You call
Yeah,
me.
give me about 3 hours.
Yeah, I'll be here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. That's my client. He's a cool guy. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, first, these countertops. You can just see these countertops and just a lot of residue on them. So we're probably going to hit these first. Catellis is still upstairs. He's about to clean the carpets. Yes, guys, I used to clean carpets myself. I cleaned carpets for almost 19 years. So these are the floors. If you can see, a lot of scuff marks. It's got some buildup on it. See right here, all those scuff marks. In here. So this is what we're doing.
You put other 2 weights on there?
Nah, it's fine. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Who put it on for the city? Truman. Truman. Who got the floors looking pretty? Truman. One day Recoat. Yeah. Countertop shining. Yeah. We put it on for the city. Woo. We put it on for the city. Hey. Hardwood floors looking dull and gray. Truman pull up and say today. Buff it up and let it shine. Now it look brand new every time. Yeah. Concrete floors, we got that. Countertops, we got that. Need some shine, we got that. Need it fast, we got that. Truman. Who putting on for the city? Truman. Who making homes look pretty? Truman. One day Recoat, yeah. Countertop shining, yeah. We put it on for the city. From Atlanta all around the state. People smiling when they see the change. Shiny floors and countertops too. Looking better than they ever knew. Yeah. Good work every day. Big shine every day. Happy homes every day. Truman every day. Truman. Who putting on for the city? Truman. Who got the whole team winning? Truman. One day Recoat, yeah. Countertops shining. Hardwood floors, yeah. Concrete floors, yeah. We put it on for the city. We put it on for the city. We put it on for the city.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors came out great. And I must say, man, that matte Visicoat looks really good on this floor. That is another Pro Coat product. And that's what the client wanted. So I ordered 2 gallons, and I must say I'm very happy with it. It looks really good. It is a 2-component finish. We only use 2 components if we're not using our UV system. 1 components, guys, are not good. They are good for build coats, but not for your last coat, your top coat. So that looks really, really good. Very happy with that. So I'll definitely be getting more of that in my arsenal. All right. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. Tomorrow we have I have a consultation in the morning in Norcross, and then we have a repeat client. We did partial of her floors in her home, Miss Noel. She's in Alpharetta. Ashley, my guy Aaron, is over there now doing some lacing in some boards for her, and then we're going to do screen and recoat and UV cure tomorrow. All right, guys, see you in the next one.